Imagine you have several PSD files, and you want to work on a specific file in Photoshop, but you didn't rename the files, and you can't open each file in Photoshop. This software is really a software to download. Watch to the end, and you're gonna love it. Welcome again. If you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Okay, the software to download is found in this video description. The name of this software is called ACDSEE Photo. Download and install this software. For examples, these are 2 PSD files. For me to know the current PSD I was working on, I just right-click the PSD file, and this software gives me a view of the content of the PSD file. Then I can now open it in Photoshop. Let's try other PSD files. If this video was helpful, kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks. See you in my next upload. Peace.